Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm Daniel, the man with class, math class, Valvo. And last time we talked about triangles, there was something I wanted to tell you but forgot what it was. It started with an A. Something like Antonio, anglers, antlers. No, that's right. Angles, triangles, and transversal lines. Of course. I'm really excited. Let's get started. Let's go back to studying the mighty, majestic, free-roaming triangle. Triangles are really picky about the angles formed between their three sides. These angles between the sides are called interior angles. And I mean they are called triangles, so it makes sense they're picky about their angles. They really build their whole brand image on the things. Notice two obtuse angles can never be in the same triangle together. The sides just can't come back around with those two large angles forcing them apart. And if you have two very acute angles in a triangle, the third angle must be very obtuse. So there definitely is